Welcome. Nice to see you here. Come on in and have a look at what we have on offer here. Wow, huh? Pretty stunning kitchen. Actually, that's a story for another day, but it was designed by a celebrity chef. So we've got the usual offerings: ceramic cooktop, an oven, integrated dishwasher, double sink, rubbish bin, recycling bin, a spot for your microwave, fabulous integrated fridge freezer. We've got fridge on one side and freezer on the other. Plenty of space for all your goodies. Beautiful dining area with a view to die for. And oh, I didn't mention to you that this property is actually rented fully furnished. So what you see here is what you get. So we've got a fabulous comfy sofa for your late night movies, a wood fire heater for those chilly nights, lovely mood lighting and tall ceilings. And here's one of the magnificent bedrooms with a beautiful picture window. That's what's so amazing about this place. There's just views from just about every window. You can go out to the deck from this bedroom as well. Check out this amazing bath. You can fill it to the top and not be worried because there's plenty of water here and a fabulous instant gas system, so you won't get cold while soaking in the bath. We've got a fabulous double shower. And we've got his and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers wardrobes. I might just mention too, there's a fabulous music system here, so you'll notice all these little knobs on the walls, so you'll have great music for your little gatherings. Deja vu, another stunning bedroom with a picture window. Once again, you've got access to the deck and that very inviting bathroom. Now this second bedroom has the added bonus of being adjoining the pool terrace, and there's a gorgeous little plunge pool over here. So you can wake up in the morning and just dive right in. And bedroom number 3, again, lots of wardrobe space. I didn't mention each bedroom also has split system aircon, so that's great. Keep you cool if you need to be cool in summer and warm in winter. This bedroom's not actually en-suited, but it does have access to the third bathroom. So if you fancy a little bit of peace and solitude, give me a call for some more information on this stunning rental property.